Okie dokie, Burmese kittens. There's 2 litters here. This is 3 of theirs first time out. The others are just plain. They're loose. And he's free with paid gate admission. See KTCS.com for all the fair details and listen to win gate passes. They're playing. This is Paris. She's one of the moms. And this is her full sister, Ems. Their kittens are 4 or 5 days apart in age. Ems just got turned loose in the room, which I call the nursery. There's one of hers with his tail all bushed out. I love first days out. These kittens have all got deposits on except for one platinum boy. Oh, we're having a kitten free-for-all. I'm going to have to cut her off.